येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। अथ पंचमोऽध्यायः चतुर्थः पादः। वैष्णवी सिद्धा अस्ति वा?
आं महोदय।
पादशतस्य संख्यादेर्वीप्सायां वुन्लोपश्च
पादशतस्य संख्यादेर्वीप्सायां वुन्लोपश्च पादशतस्य संख्यादेर्वीप्सायां वुन्लोपश्च
दण्डव्यवसर्गयोश्च
दण्डव्यवसर्गयोश्च
स्थूलादिभ्यः प्रकारवचने कन्
स्थूलादिभ्यः प्रकारवचने कन्
अनत्यन्तगतौक्तात्
अनत्यन्तगतौक्तात्
न सामि वचने बृहत्या
आच्छादने
अषडक्षाशितङ्वलङ्कर्मालं पुरुषाद्युत्तरपदात् खः
अषडक्षाशितङ्वलङ्कर्मालं पुरुषाद्युत्तरपदाखः अषडक्षाशितङ्वलङ्कर्मालं पुरुषाद्युत्तरपदात्खः
विभाषा अञ्चेरधिक स्त्रियां जात्यन्ताच्छ बन्धुनि श्रूयते वा? स्थानान्ताद्विभाषा सस्थानेनेति चेत्
Seems to be some problem with the webinar.
Today from the beginning there is a problem.
I know. We waited a while. I knew that there is an issue. Even the other class is same thing. She has to cancel the class last week.
स्थानान्तविभाषा सस्थानेनेति चेत्
किमेतिङव्ययघादां यद्द्रवप्रकर्षे
अमुचच्छन्दसि अनुगादिनष्ठक
न च
स्त्रियामयि अणिनुणः
विसारिणो मत्स्ये संख्याया क्रियाभ्यावृत्तिगणने कृत्वसुच संख्यायाः क्रियाभ्यावृत्तिगणने कृत्वसुच द्वित्रिचतुर्भ्यः सुच एकस्य सकृच्च विभाषा बहोर्धा विप्रकृष्टकाले तत्प्रकृतवचने मयट् समूहवच्च बहुषु अनन्तावसथेतिह भेषजाञ्यः देवतान्तादर्थ्ये
देवतान्तात्तादर्थ्येयत् देवतान्तात्तादर्थ्येयत्
पादार्घाभ्यां च
पादार्घाभ्यां च पादार्घाभ्यां च
अतिथेर्न्यः
अतिथेर्न्यः अतिथेर्न्यः
देवात्तल्
देवात्तल् देवात्तल्
अवेः कः
अवेः कः अवेः कः
यवादिभ्यः कन्
यावादिभ्यः कन् यावादिभ्यः कन्
लोहितान्मणौ
लोहितान्मणौ लोहितान्मणौ
वर्णे चानित्ये
वर्णे च नित्ये वर्णे च नित्ये
रक्ते
रक्ते रक्ते
कालाच्च
कालाच्च कालाच्च
विनयादिभ्यष्ठक्
विनयादिभ्यष्ठक् विनयादिभ्यष्ठक्
वाचो व्याहृतार्थायां
वाचो व्याहृतार्थायां वाचो व्याहृतार्थायां
तद्युक्तात् कर्मणोन्
तद्युक्तात् कर्मणोन् तद्युक्तात् कर्मणोन्
औषधेरजातौ
ओषधेरजातौ ओषधेरजातौ
प्रज्ञादिभ्यश्च
प्रज्ञादिभ्यश्च प्रज्ञादिभ्यश्च
हृदस्तिकन्
हृदस्तिकन् हृदस्तिकन्
सस्नौ प्रशंसायां
सस्नौ प्रशंसायां सस्नौ प्रशंसायां
ऋकज्येष्ठाभ्यां तिल्तातिलौ चच्छन्दसि
वृकज्येष्ठाभ्यां तिल्तातिलौ च छन्दसि वृकज्येष्ठाभ्यां तिल्तातिलौ च छन्दसि
धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः.
So I think all of you must have got the mail regarding the test on 9th. So we have the test. Now I will just open the page. I hope they have put learn to chant Ashtatya. Third pada, third adhyaya, second pada test. If you have not received the mail, I hope all of you are able to see in the course page. You can register there. You can directly join the meeting ID with this ID and passcode. Suppose you couldn't register or something is a problem, you can directly join through this meeting ID and passcode.
Namaskar, sir. I haven't received it. Maybe I'll get it. I don't know when you sent it. I may get it, but still I'm going to be participating just in case I didn't reply to you.
So it was sent in the afternoon around 1:30 India time. So 4 hours back it was sent.
It will be the same like a Vyakarana Vyoma, same ID, right? But sometimes if it's a different ID, it goes to spam. You want to check on that.
Yes, Sanskrit from home ID.
Definitely I'm attending. I'm going to participate. I'm telling you, I will. Is it the Zoom ID? Is it common for everybody?
Yes, it's all common for everybody. Same. Sumati Bhagini, yadi nagatam chet, etad ID kripaya rakshatu 94170256472. You can actually, let me see if I can copy this and paste it in the chat box so that you can. So as I tell you, if somebody can chat, it will be type. It will be nice.
I will type it. Tell me the number.
9417025. She has already
9417045. Let me repeat. 9417045. I'm sending it to everybody.
7025.
Sorry.
647.
Okay. Forget the previous one.
It is typed already.
Oh, okay. 94170256472. Perfect.
So please attend the webinar through this.
It starts the same. It starts the same time like a regular class, right?
5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
Okay, yeah, 7:30 by now.
महोदय एकं निवेदनम् अस्ति।
वदतु भगिनि।
श्वः अस्माकं लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुद्याः कक्षा स्थगिष्यति वा?
तद् अनन्तरं भविष्यति 7:30. That class will be shifted or it will get cancelled. It will be postponed.
Their class is from 9 to 10 my time, US time, so which is an hour and a half after this. I don't know whether they can finish everything in 1.5 hours.
तस्मिन् विषये अनन्तरं मेल् प्रेषयति वा?
लघु सिद्धांत कौमुदी क्लास विषये सौम्या भगिनी
न श्रूयते महोदय, न श्रूयते।
लघु सिद्धांत कौमुदी विषये सौम्या भगिनी प्रेषयति।
धन्यवादः।
Since she is the teacher for that, she will arrange to send that. So we can start our practice. Whoever is ready. Meenakshi, Shyam.
Ram, sir.
You will not chant the entire this one. You will only do a mock test. So are you ready for the mock test?
Yes, sir.
The audio is very feeble from my side. This is the best. I am shouting actually, but today there is some problem. Okay. So Diva, Vibha, Nisha.
Sir, श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते।
दिवा विभा निशा प्रभा भास्करान्तानन्तादि बहुनान्दी किं लिपि बलिभक्ति कर्तृचित्र क्षेत्र संख्या संघा बाहुहर्यस्तद्धनुररुषो कर्मणि धृतौ न सप्तश्लोक कलह गाथा वैरचातु सूत्र मन्त्रपदेषु सम्भशकृतोलन् भरते कृतिनाथयो वसौ फले गहिरात्मं हरिश्च छन्दसि मनसन लक्ष्मीमठां ये ज्येष्ठश नासिका स्तनयोर्ध्मा जेदोः नारी मुष्ट्योश्च रुचिकूले रुचिवहोः वहाभ्रेलिहः परिमाणे पचः वितनखे च विध्वदुषोष्णुरः असूरललाटयोर्दृशिनपोः उग्रं पश्येरं
सुप्यजातौ
निनिस्ताच्छील्ये पुष्पमाने रते बहुलमाधिक्ष्णे मनः आत्ममाने खश्च भूते करणे यतः कर्मणि हनः ब्रह्म भ्रूण बहुलं छन्दसि कर्म पापं संप्रचानुधान्यमान्यस परिश्रसंस्कृत परिदेव परिवद परितः परिमुह विषद्रुहधुः रुजा क्रीड विविसत्य जरज भजाति तरापतरामुषाद्य हनश्च कौकशलशकत्थस्रम्भः अपेफलसः।
So one suggestion for you is you can be slightly slower. Slightly slower. I know you have by-hearted with all enthusiasm. You can be slightly slower so that your Mahapranas can be better. Thank you. We will go for somebody. Venkateshwar and Gopala will give the mock test tomorrow. Then Meenakshi Vaikalatu.
Yeah, I would like to have a test.
Parayanam test. So I will give the sutra number. You have to tell. No screen.
Okay. I have
sutra number 21. Diva Vibha.
20. Diva Vibha Nisha Prabha Bhaskaranthanandadi Bahunandi Kim Lipi Bali Bhakti Kartru Chitra Kshetra Sankhya Janga Bhakva Haryattaddanura Rushu Karmani Vrito 46. Samyayam Vrutru Vrujidhari Sahitapi Damaha Gamascha Antadyantadva Durapara Sarvanante Shudaha Asishiganaha
56.
66.
So all of you by now must know what are the
Avyante
sutras you have to study. So it is all the length
Avyenanta
sutras.
padam janasana khana krama gamo vit ado nanne kravyecha
56.
dukkapcha
Okay.
mantre
Okay.
svetavaho thasas purodashonvin ave
61.
61 huh? 61
61.
सत्सु दुषद्रुह दुहयुज विद विदच्छिद जिनी राजाम उपसर्गे क्विप भजोन्विः छन्दसि सहः वहश्च
Meenakshi Bhagini, upasarge piquip.
उपसर्गे क्विप
That
सत्सु
api is also there.
दुषद्रुह दुहयुज विद विदच्छिद जिनी राजाम उपसर्गे क्विप
78.
78 सुप्यजातौ निनिस्ताच्छील्ये कर्तर्युपमाने व्रते बहुलमाभीक्ष्ण्ये मनः
134. 134. 134.
आक्वे तच्छील तद्धर्म तत्साधुकारिषु तृण अलङ्कृन् निराकृन् प्रजनोत्पचोत्पतोन्मदरुच्य पत्रपवृतु मृदु सहचरयिष्णुषु नेश्छन्दसि भुवश्च ग्लाजिस्तश्चक्ष्णुः त्रसि गृधि दृशि क्षिपेक्नुः समिद्यष्टाभ्योगिनुः सम्पृचान्रुदाङ्यमाङ्य परिसृज परिदेवि संज्वर परिक्षिप परिरट परिवद परिदह परिमुख दुषद्रुह दुहयुजाक्रीड विविचित्य जरज वजाति चरापचरामुषाभ्याहनश्च पौकशलककथश्रम्भः अपेचलटः प्रेलप 182 दाम्नी शशयुयुजस्तुतुद शिशिच मिहपत दशनः करणे हलसूकरयो पुवः अर्तिलूधूसूखन सहचर इत्रः पुवः संज्ञायां कर्तरि चर्षिदेवतयोः नीतक्तः मतिबुद्धिपूजार्तेभ्यश्च
धन्यवादाः. Well said. Only one suggestion for you. So when I will tell you one sutra and I'll tell you the format. See here. Suppose Trasi 140 sutra. Trasi Gridhi Drishi Kshipe Knuhu. You see in such sutras, now you have to keep the Mahaprana intact. You have to tell the Upadmaniya or Jihvamulya properly. Visarga you should pronounce properly. Now let me tell you that. Sutra number 140. Trasi Gridhi Trasi Gridhi Drishi Kshipe Knuhu.
Trasi Gridhi Drishi Kshipe Knuhu.
Kshipe Knuhu. And Drishi also should be Mahaprana. Dhra should be clearly heard.
Drishi Gridhi Drishi.
So there are such sutras wherein one Mahaprana, when you try to pronounce one, the other one gets hidden, or it does not comes out properly. Those
59 also one time,
50,
sir. 59.
Ritvik Dadrik Srag Digushni Ganchu Yunji Krunchancha. If you try to tell it fast, unless you have practiced thoroughly, at least the memorizers, they might have practiced thoroughly. But for Parayana Kartas, all these sutras, you have to tell slowly only. In the test, there is no rule that you have to tell fast.
Okay.
So, this is the advice for all Parayana Kartas. The problem occurs, why you don't get 9 out of 9 or 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 is only because while trying to tell one Mahaprana, the next one or some other pronunciation feature of the next syllable gets hidden in that, and it is does not come out very well. That is the care that everybody has to take care. Balance. Everybody are now so seasoned that you don't make the ordinary mistakes that everybody is making. If I have to find mistake in Meenakshi's Vaikalatur's chanting, I have to have my ears and focus brain very sharp, because she is not the same Meenakshi who chanted 1 year back. She has improved very much. The same is with everybody. I can't keep on saying the same points to you. So it is about this point. Many times in your excitement to tell the sutra or do the parayana, because you must have practiced so many times, you tend to swallow the pronunciation aspect of the other syllable, and by that doesn't happen intentionally, it happens unknowingly, and you think you have told correctly, but when we are judging it, we will see every syllable. At that place we will cut the marks, cut the points. This is one point I would request everybody to do that. Saurabhji, you can take mock test tomorrow. No problem. So tomorrow I will start the mock test and practice from 5 o'clock only. So we will not do the teaching. We will do the teaching next week. We will catch up with the teaching next week. We will do fully practice tomorrow.
Yeah, please give the chance to Parayanas only, sir. Because when they are starting with the number, we can listen what happens and what is the correction from your end.
Right. Okay. No problem.
We have to be very, very slow in telling the sutra.
Not very, very slow, but medium speed.
Yeah. Okay. To spell it correctly, Mahaprana.
Exactly. Otherwise, everybody, all of you are good chanters.
Also, sir, one suggestion is there are some long sutras which requires taking the breath. So, how do you say the first one? Diva, Vibha, Nisha, Prabha. The whole thing, you want to say, it takes about 10-15 seconds. You're also saying it's breath control.
Please take the breath. Please stop and continue. Stop in the sense, take the breath and continue. Stop means don't stop fully, as though you are unable to read. You should not give that feeling. Diva, Vibha, Nisha, Prabha, Bhaskaranta, Nanta, Dibahunandi, Kim, Lipi, Bali, Bhakti, Kartra, Chitra, Kshetra, Sankhya, Janga, Ahvarya, Tadhanurarushu. So this you can tell like this.
Yeah, you have to give a pause.
You give up. You should
not. What I noticed is the last
part. Tell me, sir.
The last segment, what you said.
So you can give the pause and tell it.
Right. Yep. That's what I figured out. Now, the reason I asked it is, will that be considered not reciting while if you take a pause?
No. Pause is it is Shakti Anusara. So telling the sutra at one breath may be possible for youngsters like Varun and Pragun or Vaishnavi, but it may not be possible for elders. So that is not a point. The pronunciation should be correct. The sutra should be told. It should be split at the right place. That's all.
Yeah.
The Chitra Chetra atra vadatu ji. Chitra Chetra Sankhya Janga.
Varjat Tadhanurarushu.
Vahar eva kalu.
Bahvaharya Tadhanurarushu.
Bahvaharya. Tadakeva ekavaram 59. One second. 59. Slowly.
59. Ritvik Dadhrit Srag Digushni Ganchu Yuji Krunchancha.
Yeah, that's a tough one. That's big.
Sir, I have a doubt. In Tritiya Dvitiya Pada, 182nd Sutra, 182nd Sutra, Damni Shasayu Yujastu. So should we say it like Damni Shasayu Yujastu Tudasi? Should we can we say it like that, or
for memorizers Damni Shasa Yuja, you can and Yuja you can merge. Stutuda you can merge. Stu and Studa, Stu and Tuda you can merge. Si and Sicha you can merge. Si Sicha Nihapata. So memorizers, since you are telling continuously, can merge. See, if you are merging two words, it is no harm, but you should merge consciously. That's all. We are not telling Damni, Shasa, Yuja, Yuta. We are not doing Padapata here. You are not expected to tell the Padapata. You are expected to tell the Samhita Pata, full line. Since elders are unable to tell in a single breath for long sutras, I have advised them to take a breath and continue telling. Please understand what I am telling. Do not think that you have to stop everywhere. So the advice I am giving is for elders who are unable to. Elders are people like me who are unable to tell the full sutra. Then at that time you can take a pause. You can take a small pause, which is very, very small, and take a breath and continue.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृष्णं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः.